Understanding Give Oneself Up in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, give oneself up. This phrase is used quite commonly, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. Give oneself up has both a literal and figurative meaning. Literally, it means to surrender oneself, usually to authorities, often in the context of a crime. For example, after the bank robbery, the thief decided to give himself up to the police. Figuratively, it can mean to devote or dedicate oneself completely to a cause, an activity, or even another person. This usage is more emotional and personal, like, she gave herself up to the care of her sick mother. Let's see how we can use give oneself up in different sentences. This will help you understand the context better. 1. Surrendering. The fugitive gave himself up after 3 days of hiding. 2. Devotion. He gave himself up to his research, often forgetting to eat or sleep. Notice how the meaning changes with the context. A common mistake learners make is confusing give oneself up with give up on oneself. The latter means to lose hope or stop believing in oneself, which is quite different. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, give oneself up, better. Remember, context is key in determining its meaning. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.